entrance, sorry about that. I am here today in my bathroom just to get ready with you guys, show you guys my skincare. I've also just got this bad boy and I want to try it with you guys today. This is the Remington Volumizing Blow Dry Hairbrush. And I want to try it with you guys today. This was all over TikTok, so you know I have to try this. I'm going to be trying this out with you guys today. I have not even opened it or done anything. I literally got this in the mail the other day and have waited till now to film this video and try it out with you guys. So let's get into it. Freshly just washed my hair. I didn't want to get into the whole hair care routine because I have done a video on that recently. I'll have that linked in the cards for you. You can watch that if you're interested in seeing what products I use. As I mentioned to you guys in the hair care routine video, I've been using the Monday hair care shampoo and conditioner and I've really been loving them. Today though, I actually used these new products from Canon Hair Care. Now these were very kindly gifted to me. This part of the video is not sponsored by them, but I really just wanted to try their products. These are the Perfect Shampoo and Conditioner in the clean formula. It says clean, shiny, healthy hair. And I just, first of all, love the packaging. It's so stunning. I also love the formula of these. They've made my hair feel so nice and so soft. So I'm really excited to keep trying these ones out. But yeah, I use these for the first time today. As for the actual hair products that we'll be using in our hair, we have a few other bits to try from Kin. So first we're going to try the Kin hyaluronic acid. This is what it looks like. And I love me some hyaluronic acid in skincare, so I'm really excited to see what this actually does for me for my hair. It says hyaluronic acid improves density, fullness and softness, helping repair your hair from root to tip. Healthcare, apply a few drops close to your scalp at night and massage into your scalp with your fingertips. I'm just going to try a few drops. I don't know how much is too much, but that seems like a good amount. I'm just going to massage that. We also have the leave-in treatment from them that I thought we would try. This is what it looks like, and it says it's a clean formula leave-in treatment to condition, control, moisture, strengthen, protect and repair. It says apply a large dollop to damp hair before air drying or hot styling. That's exactly what we're doing right now. So first of all of the packaging for all of the products is just like so stunning. Like, I love everything that I've tried. I'm just gonna go in with that much. I don't know if that's too much or whatever, but we're just gonna try that. Yeah, everything just looks and feels so beautiful. It's also so affordable. I believe you can find Kin Hair Care in Priceline. I'm actually gonna apply my skincare, do a face mask, just do a little pamper with you guys because I feel like I haven't shown you guys my skincare in a little while. We do have some new skincare bits to play with too, so I thought I would play with them with you guys, and then we will try out the Remington hairbrush. I will have chapters and timestamps or whatever, so you can just go straight to the hairbrush if that's what you're interested in. I thought since we have to wait for the hair to dry a little bit, I would apply a face mask. This one I've been sent recently by Ole Henriksen. I have actually tried this one before. It's one of my favorite face masks ever, and they very kindly topped me up with a brand new one, so I thought we would try it out. So for those of you who haven't used this before, it is such a good face mask. First of all, it comes out in this nice thick creamy like pink paste, I guess. Work it into your skin until it turns into a white color, and then you leave it there for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this honestly just clears your skin out, makes your skin so smooth and soft. It's just like one of my favorite face masks to get a really immediate effect after you use it. I find that I love using this after my skin has been quite congested, or if it's been really dry and flaky. That's when I will most likely use this mask. I've rubbed that all in. I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and I will be back with you.
A few minutes later.
Back, let's wipe off this face mask. It pretty much just dries down and looks just like skin, like it just goes transparent. But I'm just wiping it off with some warm water on a towel because I feel like that's the best way to get it off. You can see how glowy my skin is and it just makes it so smooth. So I love the Ole Henriksen face mask. Now we're going to move on to eye cream. This one I've actually been testing out for a little while now. This is from AWST. It's the Vacation Eyes Brightening Eye Gel, and I really like this. The formula is something like so different that I've never tried before. It's literally like a lightweight gel and it just makes my under eyes so smooth as well. It makes my under eyes so smooth and so immediately just gives me such great results. So I've really been enjoying this one, and I just take it like above and around my eyes. In the mornings, I love a good vitamin C, so we are trying this one from Ole Henriksen. Again, they very kindly sent this to me and I have not tried it yet, but I've always wanted to. This is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. This was all the hype like a few years ago. Ooh, the formula feels so nice. I haven't seen a formula like this before. Very nice, light, citrusy scent, which I like. And the formula itself is quite lightweight. So this one says it has 15% vitamin C, which is actually quite a lot. 5% PHAs and hyaluronic acid, which is also going to make my skin really smooth. We have a new moisturizer. This one is from Youth to the People. It's a superfood air whip moisture cream with kale, spinach, and hyaluronic acid. I have never actually tried Youth to the People before, but they very kindly sent this to me again. It smells a little bit like spinach, like vegetables. That almost blends in like immediately. It feels like water. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte water cream, but like a fraction of the price. It absorbs really quickly, it's really lightweight. It's a really refreshing scent. Like this and the vitamin C just smell like a really nice like fruit salad kind of thing. Okay, now we have a face oil, and this is one I have not tried before. Again, this was sent to me, but this is from It's All Fluff, and this is face oil number 3. It apparently is really great for acne scarring, pigmentation, for really smoothing out your skin and giving it a really nice glow and hydration. So this one actually has cannabis sativa seed oil as the first ingredient, which is a really nice ingredient to have in an oil. I really love the one from Kiehl's, the actual like cannabis sativa seed oil from Kiehl's. It's just really calming for the skin, so I'm really excited that it's in this one. Apply a few drops on my fingers, just kind of pat it into my skin. It really does smell like cannabis sativa seed oil. You can really smell it, even more so than the Kiehl's one. I feel like the Kiehl's one is a very light scent. This one is like a lot. So have a little gua sha moment, just because I feel like it. Why not? I feel like I'm fully just taking advantage of this moment, doing like a full-on pamper session. I also have the lip balm oil from It's All Fluff. This is what the packaging looks like. It just spins out like this, and then this is the oil in here. It's kind of like a dry balm oil, and you can actually take this out and buy just refills, which I love. The packaging is just so sustainable and feels just like coconut oil. Like when you get actual just coconut oil in a jar, how like it's hard and then you start like warming it up in your fingers. It kind of just feels like that. It's really nice when you don't want anything too glossy or too thick on your lips, but you just want something nice and hydrating. And you can't do any skincare routine without ending with sunscreen. I'm using one of my favorites. This is the Naked Sundays Collagen Glow Cream SPF 50. It just has like a really nice formula. I feel like it's quite thick, but it doesn't leave a white cast at all, and it just makes your skin so glowy. But this one's so good. It blends in really nicely and really quickly. Alright, now that my skincare is all done, looking so glowy, my hair is pretty much, I'd say, that's pretty much 80% dry. So now we're gonna try out the Remington hairbrush. I'm first just gonna apply some heat protectant spray. This one is from Bondi Boost, just because I feel like I need it. I don't know if you're supposed to brush your hair out first, but I'm going to. My fringe is already like completely dry. I might have to wet that again because it's so impossible to style. Now onto this bad boy. Let's get it out of the box. Alrighty, so first up we've got the brush head in here. And then here is the body of it. I love how it's just like nice and simple it is, just this white body. There's 3 settings: high, which is for thick and difficult to style hair; hydrocare, which is thin/fine, damaged or bleached hair; or cool, to set your style after styling. So I'd probably use the high one because I have quite thick hair. I was like fiddling for like 5 minutes being like, where's the on button? But you twist the button. That's actually really loud. So I've heard different methods for this. I'm going to try and do my fringe first. I'm going to try and do it like how I normally would with a brush and just kind of do it like that. So we'll see how this works. I'm excited. I don't know if I'll be able to get the technique quite down on the first go, but we I'll trial this out and just see what happens, I guess. I'm gonna take the bits on the brush and then I'll start the thing. That's poofy. I'm gonna actually put it onto the cold setting now to like set this style in place. I don't know what's up with that, but it doesn't feel cold at all, but there is the fringe. That's usually how I will style my fringe. Like I'd get a round brush, twist it, and then like dry it. I feel like it's not adding as much volume as I would usually get it. I'm gonna try that for a bit longer maybe. I don't know how to actually style this. It's definitely a lot. I don't know, I'm gonna have to play around with the cat bag situation because I can't even style it with just like normal hairbrush and stuff. Try it on the actual body of my hair now. Different techniques. I think you go like under the hair and start like wrapping that around and pulling that through. So we're gonna try that. I'm not really sure how thick this section should be. I'm gonna try like a smaller to medium size section and we will see how this goes. That is the first one done. It feels really, really nice and soft and it does give like a little like flick in, which I kind of like. For the most part that does feel very, very dry and it feels good. For the next section I'm gonna try and do it like in the opposite direction and just see how that looks. Like this way? I don't know, does that seem dumb? We're gonna try it. Okay, yeah, so it did curl it kind of like that way. I think I obviously do like the inwards better, but I just wanted to try it and see what it would look like. I'm gonna, I guess, speed this up because this is quite loud and you can't hear me talk anyway. But I'll see you in a sec. This is half my hair done. For the most part my hair is quite straight anyway, but I do like how easy it is to blow dry your hair like this, and it does give it quite a good amount of style. I do like this little flick at the end, and I do like just how sleek and smooth it makes your hair. This is how we're looking currently. I feel like my fringe is still a mess. I like this side, but I don't know what this side is really doing. But for the most part, I feel like my hair is, first of all, it's very well dried. That was super quick and like, my hair just feels really nice and really soft. I see that could be due to the Kin hair products as well, but it feels really soft. It looks so shiny. Definitely feel like there's a lot more that I have to like get the hang of, like with the styling and the actual technique of it. But for first impressions, I really, really like this. If you guys have this and have like certain techniques or ways that you like to use this, and please leave in the comments below because I need some help. Upon first impressions and upon first use, I really like how easy it is to use. Just want to straight blow dry. If you want to style, there's obviously some technique to it that I still need to practice, but just for the most part, just brushing through and drying your hair, it's so easy. There's no buttons that you can accidentally like turn off. I feel like I do that with a lot of my other devices, is I like accidentally press a button that turns it off whilst I'm trying to use it. I also love this bit here, like you could probably see when I was showing you me doing it, but I use this bit a lot to try and like steady it. And this bit's not hot at all, this bit's not hot. Obviously the bristles aren't hot either, it's just if you touched the actual like silver bit, then that's really hot. So one thing I will say is the back of my hair was kind of hard to get to, but again, that'll come with a bit of practice, a bit of technique. I'm actually really happy with this. I really like this, and my hair is looking great if I do say so myself. Anyway, that is going to wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me just get ready kind of using some brand new products, some new skincare and a new hair tool. And thank you so much to all of these brands who very kindly sent me products to try. I feel so spoiled and so lucky, and just very happy to share them with you guys, sharing all the gems with you. So glowing. My hair feels so soft, so I feel very lucky right now. Anyway, subscribe to my channel if you guys would like to see more videos like this. I test out a lot of beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair care, do a lot of vlogs and things like that too, so you can get to know me a little bit better. And I do post on here every Tuesdays and Fridays at 10 AM Western Australia time, so if you guys are interested, then please subscribe to me. And also, if you want more regular content, then follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post on those almost daily, way more often than I post on here. Definitely go and follow me just everywhere, wherever you want to. And I really want to thank you guys for taking time out of your days to watch my video and spend time with me whilst I show you new products and do my hair. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!